Hello everyone. Today in this video I am going to show you how we can convert the images into the PDF, and after making a PDF I will then show you how to upload this PDF into the classroom. So let's get started. So for that we have to first install an application. So for that I will be opening my Play Store, and in the Play Store search bar I'll type PDF Converter, and here we can see the blue icon image to PDF converter. I will click on this and I will install it. We have to wait for some time until this application gets downloaded and installed properly. It is now installed. I will open this application, and we can see here this square option is there, and I will click on this square option and I will allow it. Now we have to choose the pictures, and these pictures we have to click previously using our device camera. Alright, so I will choose the pictures. Suppose I want to make a PDF for only 6 pictures, I will choose it, and after choosing it I will click on done. Now I will click on OK. Now here we can see that convert to PDF option is there, so I will click on convert to PDF. I have to put any file name. Suppose I am putting it English, and then I will click on this convert. It is now being converted, so I will click on open file. Delete share I am not going to use now. First of all I will click on this open file, and I will open this using the Drive PDF viewer, and note that you also open the file using the Drive PDF viewer only. Now this is the PDF we have converted. Alright, so in the top we can see the 3 dots are there. I will click on these 3 dots and I will click on download. Okay, it is now downloaded. Now the PDF making is completely finished. After that, after making this PDF, I am going to show you how we can upload this PDF into our classroom. So for uploading into the classroom, I will open my mail. And suppose if you don't want to upload through mail, you can upload this using the classroom also. I will choose the mail for which I want to upload, and then here I can see open option is there. I will open that. It is opening. Alright, sign in is required, so I will sign in. And this sign in part is not required for everyone. And these steps, remember, it is not required for everyone. As I was signed out from my device, so I used it. Now we can see this page. Okay, whatever assignment I have got it. So here we can see that add or create is there. I will click on add, and then I'm going to click on file, and then I will click on browse. I will open my download, and remember, when we are making the PDF, when we made the PDF actually, we choose the download. Okay, so I will click on this download and see here English PDF is there, which I just made it. So I will click on this English PDF. It is now being uploaded. it is uploaded, and after it is successfully uploaded, remember that we have to turn in. I will click on again turn in. Alright, so I hope everyone has understood. So thank you everyone.